Have you ever wanted more downtime, more free time, more time to spend with your family? Maybe you have a job that kind of sucks the life out of you, and maybe it pays you good money, but maybe it just doesn't stretch as far as you would like. Maybe you want to go on vacation, maybe you want to pay down debt. Do you know you can do all that if you learn a new skill? That skill is called digital marketing, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So last year, about this time, I came across a girl on TikTok talking about digital marketing, affiliate marketing actually, and I was very intrigued because I always wanted to learn how to earn money online. So as a digital marketer, or maybe you've heard of affiliate marketing, you are marketing a product, and in return you earn a commission when somebody buys that product. So basically that company, that service is saying, high five, you brought this customer to me and we're going to give you a little bit of money because you brought a customer to me. Now, what I've come across through my journey is you can actually purchase a digital product with the master resale rights where you get 100% of the commission. And I'm telling you right now, this is life-changing, so listen up. So with the master resale rights, you actually get to brand yourself, use your colors, your logo, and all the good stuff. Now remember guys, I was a beginner when I started, 0 followers, 0 experience, and I didn't even like showing my face here on video. But I said to myself, I need to figure out how to get comfortable with being uncomfortable so I can change my life. And that is exactly what's happening because I am consistently earning 100% commission. It goes right into my bank account. I don't have to split it with anybody. And it's changing my life. Guys, I'm just an ordinary person, just like you. But what I did is I said, it's time for me to get off the hamster wheel. It's time to realize I do not want to work the rest of my life for someone else retiring at 65, 70 years old. Who wants to do that? Not me. And I'm here to tell you that you can learn the skill too. That's all you have to do is apply what you learn. So you learn the skill, you apply the skill, you master the skill, and then you turn around and teach it just like I am. And then you start generating extra income right to your bank account, 100% of the commission. So if this is interesting to you, because it's changing my life, I've paid off debt, I've paid down a credit card, I went on vacation using this money, and guys, now I'm gonna start working on my mortgage, and then I'm gonna start working on going part-time at my job, then quitting my job. So it's super exciting. So if you are ready to change your life, get rid of the excuses, learn a new skill so you can earn money online. Check it out and go right here, check it out and contact me. Let's talk about it.